So this is my 72-inch toolbox from Harbor Freight. Have a little add-on side cabinet right there. So just a little tour. I know the top is a mess. But all my pliers, adjustable wrenches, and some roller chain. We'll get into that later. Vice grips. It's messy. I work out of this toolbox, and I move it a lot. There's some bunch of things, handful of things missing out of there. Drill bits. Spider drill bits. Best drill bit I've ever used in my life. Steel, stainless steel. A little bit of junk draw, some tubing cutters. Another junk draw with a battery in it. Now, this is my charger, obviously. And this power goes to my motor. Big draw, big heavy draw. All my sockets. All these trays came from Harbor Freight. A lot of ratchets from Harbor Freight. A couple little junk draws. Gotta have junk. That's a heavy draw. My wrenches. A lot of my wrenches are on my service cart. But a lot of my Ryobis. And you want to get more of these, or a 3D printer, and start printing out wrench holders. The screwdrivers, Allen wrenches, nut drivers, hemostats, pliers, tweezers. Pry bars, rollers, chisels. Best pry bar ever right there. Made by Blue Point. Get it on your Snap-on truck. Very large sockets. Tap and die set. A little bit of junk. Oh, an electric motor. Usually where I keep my Ryobi batteries. This is where I keep all my Ryobi stuff, right here. I also have the radio, the Sawzall, the grease gun, the impact gun, the right angle drill, the drill, all that stuff. I come over here. Pens, markers, hole punches, razor blades, steel hammers. Again, most of them are over there on my cart. Rubber hammers. Again, most of them are over there on my cart. Face shield, welding shield, bore scope, tire, soldering gun, rubber gloves, junk. In the side cabinet, we have eye wash and new skin, spray skin. We've got sutures, first aid kits, propane, butane, tape measures, a little bit of solder, stuff for soldering. This is the drawer. It's got my Power Probe accessories. All my Power Probe accessories are in here, and some other junk, obviously. Got junk in every drawer. Hole saws, spoons, pneumatic tools. I don't have a lot. I don't keep a lot. I don't use a lot. Kind of a junk drawer. Some of these junk drawers are going to be reutilized. My voltmeter, and of course there's all kinds of stuff on top of my toolbox. Another junky drawer. So that's my 72-inch Harbor Freight toolbox. Come over here. Of course, I've got the power strip. Got a tray here. I've got another tray on the other end. This tray down here is for my rubber gloves. And we got a 2,000-pound Badland winch right there. There it is. I'll get into that in just a second. It's all the junk on top of my drawer. So, the reason for the battery And the Badland winch is right here. Got a forward and reverse switch and a potentiometer. This, if you listen carefully, that banging noise that you hear is an issue I will be taking care of shortly. I figured it all out. So, let me come down here. Wait, let me come back up here. Let me see if I can't get this drawer out one-handed. Oh, and I did. I'm going to set it right up on top. Sorry about the shaking. Oh, I don't have a flashlight. There's a charge controller on the top. That's where all my wiring is in there. Can't see it. I apologize for that. There it is. There's right on the top right there is the charge controller. Wires run down to this battery, and from the battery come down here to a winch I got at Harbor Freight. It's a Badlands 2,000 pound winch, and you see the chain, and of course the chain goes to that gear there. So all this, the clunking you heard, is I need to realign the winch. And that's my toolbox tour. Now, you come up here, I have another Badlands winch. This I'll be getting into in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up.